channel, Doris's Daily Deets. Glad to see you guys again. And today I wanted to get on here and just talk about none other than one of my most favorite things, and that is perfume. I will be talking about my top 5, as you probably could tell from the title, favorite perfumes. And yeah, and I'll tell you what makes them my favorite perfumes. And yeah, and especially with the summer coming up, some of these scents are definitely gonna be geared toward that. So I thought it would be the perfect time to just get on here and talk to you about what I've been loving and what I, been loving all along from the past. So without further ado, stay tuned. And before we go any further, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. But mainly, first things first, subscribe. I'll wait. Okay. All right, now let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first perfume that I want to talk to you about today is none other than, and this is like my favorite of all of them. I should have saved it for last, but whatever. Since we're on, I don't know why I'm doing it in this order, but anyways, it is going to be the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. This here is my Holy Grail perfume. It has such a sophisticated smell to it. It's very like grown and sexy, but then again, it still isn't like that overwhelmingly super mature smell. And I actually have the specs here because I looked them up just so you can, in case you're thinking about purchasing it, you could know exactly what you're gonna smell like. But it pretty much says that it has a spark of fresh and vibrant orange, immediately awakens the senses, and then it has a chorus of grasse, jasmine, and May rose. And it also has accents of patchouli and vetiver. So I don't know if that helps anybody, but all I know is that it just smells amazing. I get so many compliments when I wear that perfume. It's again just my Holy Grail #1 perfume that I go to if I'm going out somewhere or something. And for a long time I was wearing it as like an everyday perfume. I kind of like got away from it as of late, but it's hands down my top 5. Actually, no, my #1. I'm sorry, I said top 5. I meant to say no, #1. Excuse me. It's been a long day, guys. And the next perfume that I'm going to get into is, and this is a newer scent that I picked up. It's been out a while, but it is the Dolce and Gabanna Light Blue. Now, this scent here is definitely, it's different. I don't have anything in my collection that smells quite like this fragrance. It's hard to explain, so of course I had to just look it up because I'm not good with with the explaining scents, but I know it's a very popular scent. A lot of people do have this one. This is one of actually my newer buys. I've had this about a little over a year, I would say, but it's definitely another kind of a mature scent. I'm not a real fruity person, so a lot of these scents that you're going to be seeing, they are not going to be geared towards anything fruity. But yeah, it's a great scent. Now the price point, I should have talked about the price point of the Chanel too. I'm sorry about that. But the price point on this one is going to be a lot lower. I want to say that size of the Chanel that I had is upwards. I'll list the prices down below, to be honest with you. But yeah, this one is definitely going to be a lower price point, but it's still, considered kind of a high-end smell. I like it. And this one, it just says that it kind of has freshness of bamboo, white rose, cedar wood, and the fullness of amber and the embrace of musk, which I would agree with that. So it's like, it's different. It's definitely not like anything I smelled before, but I do notice that when I used to smell people wearing this, I'd be like, what are you wearing? I love that. And of course they'd be like, oh, it's the Dolce and Gabbana Light Blue. So I'm like, well, let me go ahead and pick that one up because I just like perfume. And then the next one is just going to be one of my top fave. Now this perfume here is one that I can just wear every day. It's very versatile. It's like a day or night scent, and I think it's slept on. It's the Oh So Sexy by Victoria's Secret. Here it is here. And it's cute. I mean, nothing special about the bottle. It comes from Victoria's Secret. Now, a lot of people do say, that it doesn't last quite as long because of the fact that it comes from Victoria's Secret, which, could very well be true, but I love it. That, again, I like stuff that does not smell like everything else, so you're going to start to kind of notice that. But basically, it has like a sweeter smell. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and actually just read you the specs now. Like I said, this one here is my favorite. Now, this one retails for $55, so that's for the big size, too. And which isn't a bad price. I mean, some people may think it's a lot for a Victoria's Secret perfume. I don't know. I think I had a coupon or something. I've had it for a while, and it's been out on the market for a while. But again, it's one of my faves. And this one says it has a mix of vibrant florals with luscious fruits and a touch of airy warmth for a scent that's flirty and forever young. I would definitely agree with that. It's a great one. So if you get a chance, like I said, it's affordable. It's up. Wonderful smell. Make sure you pick up this, Oh So Sexy at Victoria's Secret. I'll show it to you one more time because, like I said, this one here, I would say if I was to go in like ranking order, this would probably be my number 2 favorite. I love it. So yeah, go ahead, go to the store, smell it, get a sample or whatever, but you definitely need to get your hands on this one. Okay, now this next one, I don't know. See, I like all these so much that I'm like, oh, how am I can't even really put them in order, so I'm glad I didn't, because this next one that I'm about to bring up is like hands down one of the most like different, crazy. I don't even, oh man, I feel bad. I don't even think they make this particular scent anymore. I have been looking for it. Now I do see that they have like different versions of it, but I honestly don't think that they make this one anymore. Now this is the Clinique, this bottle, sorry y'all, it's bad. It wasn't anything special about the bottle. It was very affordable. I got this maybe like 6 years ago, and look where I'm at on it. This one here, I get so many compliments when I wear this perfume. People are like, oh my God, you smell so good. What is that? And I'm like, and they're always surprised when I'm talking about, oh, it's a Clinique. It's called Happy Heart. Clinique Happy in Bloom. And I cannot find this. I'm trying to go ahead and see if I can get you the specs, because this smell is just like unlike any other thing I have ever smelled. It's definitely more of a springy summer type perfume. I don't gravitate towards that in like the fall or winter months. It's not even fruity, but it's different. I'm gonna go ahead and just tell you right now what it has in it, because it's amazing. Like, you are going to fall in love with it. And I'm looking now to see if I can even pull it up online, because that's how rare it is and hard to get your hands on this one. I think this was like a limited edition that year, and I got it so long ago. So, and you could tell by the bottle that I've been loving it. But this one, yeah, this definitely said, okay, so this was released in, it says 2016, but I don't think that was right, because I got that well before 2016. So I'm gonna leave that part alone. But maybe they re-released it in 2016. We'll go with that. Anyways, but it says the top notes are plum, fruity notes, green notes, and watery notes. They also have like lily of the valley, mimosa, and freesia in it. And then the main thing is floral, fruity, green, aquatic, and sweet. So yeah, that describes that in a nutshell. I love it. It is, again, it's up there in the ranking too. So I'm not even going to try to rank these anymore, like I said. Now this particular site, I'm not really sure how much this retails for. I'll leave all the prices and links down below to where you can get this, because it's looking like that they do have it somewhere. So, we'll see with that. But yeah, another great one. Now on to the last one. Now this last one is pretty popular. A lot of people are familiar with this one. This is the Alien, and I want to say the name of this, the person that makes this is Thierry Mugler, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's how you say it. Now this particular one, I'm sorry about that. This particular perfume is definitely on the more mature side. I gravitate towards this, I would say, more so in the fall months. It's definitely very sexy. And This one, like, I smelled this on somebody else. This is another one of those ones where I smelled it on them and I'm like, I have to have that perfume. It is just so different. And again, I like different things. So that's why these are my top 5 favorite perfumes. They don't smell like anything else. Yeah, so I love anything that is just different. And this is definitely that. This is the smaller size of it. And it sits, I wish I could show you here. I mean, I can show you on my hand. It kind of sits like that. I'm balancing here. But I love this one. Now for this one, the specs say that it's almost like it can be a unisex perfume in a sense. It's described as having a floral, woody, amber scent that borders the realm of spirituality and sensuality. I would agree with that. I mean, because it's called Alien. It honestly does smell kind of out of this world. I've never smelled anything like this. It's not fruity. It's not floral. It's another one of those that's just different. It almost could be unisex, to be quite honest, because the smell is so, it's just, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but I would definitely say that if you want something that you won't be smelling like everybody else, that's different. Now, the price point of this will be on the pricier side. I can't remember how much I paid for this. Again, I'll leave all that down below, but it will be a little more pricey. That is one of the cons on this one. But if you don't mind spending, you know, your coins and you want to invest in a nice perfume that's going to last you for a long time throughout the day, I would definitely say go ahead and pick this one up. So now we are at the end of the video, and I want to thank you so much for taking your time out the day. I really do appreciate it. Watching me, again, like I said, I'm getting more consistent with these videos. I just want to get on here more often just so you guys know that I'm serious. I'm really, you know, ready to just get out here, keep making these videos, and I'm so happy that you guys are staying tuned, watching it with me. Again, you know, comment down below. Let me know if you agree with some of these, or if you have certain perfumes that you think should have been up here, or that you would suggest to me to try. But again, these are my top 5, so hopefully this could be of some help to you. And I just want to thank you again, and enjoy the rest of your day or evening, whatever time you may be listening to this. Bye-bye.